Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to share this best Android 15 CarPlay with you. You don't want to miss it. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. To start with, the design is just stunning. It's simple yet eye-catching, perfectly balancing style and practicality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, here is the real kicker. It's affordable without skimping on quality. High-end features for less. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's super functional for everyday use. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low right now. Smash that link below right now to see the deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.